What's up, everybody? Y'all ready to repair this Linclon Weld Pak I-90? My freaking trigger broke. The nozzle just snapped off the end of this thing. So we bought a new one. The link's in the description down there. It doesn't go to this welder, but we're going to make it work with this welder. The replacement for this is $133. We did this for like 45 bucks or so, but check the link. That'll give you the price for sure, but it's under 50 bucks we did this for. Save you some money here if you keep on watching. Linclon Weld Pak I-90 repair, adding. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I just ask that you subscribe to the channel. It doesn't hurt you, but it really helps the algorithms and helps me get found. I've got a lot of videos on here that are gaining some traction. If you just hit that subscribe and like for me, you'll really help me out. All right, I got this brand new Weld Pak I-90 MIG in December. This is supposed to be the trigger and right there. But the tip of it broke off. Not the tip, but the nozzle just snapped right off the end of that thing. So I ordered a new one. It looks like everything is the same except for this connection here. It looks like I got two there. So I'll cut and splice this connector to that, and hopefully that works. But first thing we got to do is we got to take this nut off here so we can get down to this black wire here, because there is this like wire cover on there that I think is covering up this little piece right here. So hopefully that is being covered up right there, and we'll be able to easily do this. Well, hell yeah, would you look at that shit right there? It's just a nut, so that's just gonna screw right onto that, and this thing's gonna go right together. This is fucking badass. Would you look at that? I got the old one out. That came out pretty easy. Now we just gotta put the other one back in. Woohoo! Broken anyways, we can cut shit, right? Splicing stuff. Okay, this is the new one. This is the point of no return, because if we cut this, we can't return it. But this is the only thing that is different, is this plug right here. So I'm assuming that this is just a simple switch. And it's not a negative positive, simple switch. That's what I'm hoping. Simple switch. Oh shit. I hope this works. Okay, one of these has got a little bit of red paint on it, so we're going to connect that to the red wire. What a way to think. What? We got a welder. Hell yeah. Woo! Back in business.